everyone, and welcome back. Today I have a festive sangria for you all, and this one is non-alcoholic, so it's perfect for adults and kids. But if you wanted to add a splash of spice rum or rum to this, of course you can. So let me show you how easy this festive drink is to make. So join me, let me show you how easy this festive drink is to make. And today's episode is being sponsored by Allston's Marketing Company Limited, with brands such as Frank's Sauces, Bragg, Target Corned Beef, Lucima Pasta, Squeezy, French's, Caribbean Dreams, Naturally Almond, and Presidente Butter. So join me as I share with you all my recipe for this festive drink, and I promise you everyone is going to love it. So to make this festive drink, you're going to need a couple packets of instant ginger tea. I'm using the one that contains sugar. You can use the sugar-free version if you're diabetic and you want to make this diabetic friendly. So I'm going to add all of my ingredients to my mug, and I already have here 6 cups of water. You want to use bottled water, something you would drink. And we're going to add all of our ingredients to this jug. So I'm going to add in 4 packs of this into our water. And of course you can taste and adjust. If you wanted a stronger ginger flavor, you just add more packets of these. Okay, so next ingredients going in would be strawberries, oranges sliced, and you want to use something organic since we're using the skin of the orange, apples chopped. Now we want to spice this up a little, so I'm going to be adding 3 cinnamon sticks and 2 star anise. And we want it nice and festive, so red, so I'm adding in some sorrel concentrate just to give it that nice light pink color. Give this a mix. Now if you wanted to add a little bit of spice rum to this, it would be a great addition. You just want to mix everything well. Make sure that the ginger tea is dissolved, so I can still hear it at the bottom. And you're going to serve this on ice and simply enjoy. Make sure you get a little bit of all of the fruits in there, and it's the perfect drink to serve this Christmas season. Thank you all so much for joining me today. Do remember to pick up all of the ingredients seen in today's video at your leading supermarkets in Trinidad. Cheers!